Alright students, let's do a numerical on concave mirror. This is a numerical object size is 7 centimeter. So object size means h is equal to 7 centimeter. This simply means how big is the object placed on the principal axis. Now we have to see where the object is placed. So object is placed at 27 centimeter in front of concave mirror. Now is giving an idea that the focal length is 18 centimeter. That means this distance f, pf is 18 centimeter. This is basically focal length. Am I right? So if this is 18, what will be Cp?
So 36.
36
36
centimeter.
centimeter. So I know that this distance from C till P is 36. Now this is 27 and this is 18. So I understood the object is placed where.
So between C and F.
Tell me students.
So between C and F.
And because this distance C is again this distance F and P is given 18 centimeter and C and P will be double. So object will be somewhere here. And what is the height of object? That is also given. H is equal to 7 centimeter. Now we know when the object is between C and F, Deep, where will be the image?
Beyond C.
Beyond C, correct. If you forget, geometry will help you. Draw a ray parallel to the principal axis. Then this ray will pass through this. And the other ray we should draw from tip of the object passing through C. So this is, these two lines are intersecting at this point. I can say that this is my object. This is my object. Because the arrow is downwards, the object is downwards. So I can say that my h dash will be negative. What is h dash? It is the size of object. It will be negative because my rays are intersecting below the principal axis. Am I right, students?
Sir, size of object or image?
Size of image. I'm sorry. Size of image. Size of object is positive. It is above the principal axis 7 centimeter. So I also know that where the image will be placed. Now where the image is placed, where the image will be there is represented by which letter? Students?
So V.
V. And this is U where the object is placed. U. This is exactly where the object is placed. And V will be more than 36 centimeter in magnitude. Actual value will be less than minus 36. So now what is the mirror formula, Tanya? I will write mirror formula. Yes, Tanya?
1 by V
1 by V
plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F.
equal to 1 by F.
F.
Very good. So V we want to find out. So 1 by V will be equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. Am I right, students? So what I can do, I'll simply solve it. F is, okay, student. Now F is 18 centimeter. This is magnitude of focal length. But what will be the value, Tanya? Because it is on left side of the mirror. So the value will be
Negative.
negative. So I can say 1 by v is equal to 1 by, I will take this minus 18, right? Minus, now what is u? Yes, Hamza, u, where the object is placed.
27 centimeter.
What value I'll take? Whether I'll take 27 or minus.
So minus
Why?
27.
Why?
So because it is on the left side.
Because any distance, this p is like origin of x and y axis, and any distance on the left side of origin is taken negative towards x axis, towards the principal axis. So this becomes minus 1 by minus 1 by 18 plus 1 by 27. Am I right, students? Now, you please take LCM of 27 and 18. Anybody knows? So it will be 3 3 is a 9, 3 is a 27 into 2 is 54. So it is 50. Here it will be minus 3 and here it will be 2. So this is minus 1 by 54. Am I right? So V will be, students, minus 54 centimeters. So our judgment is correct that image will be less than, till here the distance is 36. So and this is, we come to know, is this distance is 54, the value is minus 54 till B, right? So he says the question is at what distance mirror should be, mirror from the mirror. From the mirror means from the P. Should a screen be placed so that sharp focused image can be obtained? Find the size and nature of the image. So first let's find out nature of the image. Students, what it will be, Tanya? Nature of image. Number one, it is inverted. And number two,
Real.
whether it is real or virtual.
Real.
Why?
Because the rays are actually
Rays
hitting.
at point, let's say this point is.
ਸਾਰਾ ਦੇਈ ਨੂੰ ਕਾ ਵੱਡਾ
So nature is okay, size of the image. We want to find size of image. How we can find size of image? Deep or Amanat? By the formula for magnification. So Deep, what is the formula for magnification?
M is equals to H dash by H.
Equal to minus V by U.
U.
So this is equal to minus of what is V?
Minus 54.
Minus 54. Divided by what is U? U is here, where the object is placed. Object
Minus
is
27.
Minus 27.
minus 27. So this is equal to 27, 1 the 27, 22, 2 the. So this is minus 2. Am I right? So magnification is minus 2. Hamza, please explain the meaning when magnification is minus 2. What does it mean? There are two things. One is magnitude of M. The magnitude of M is 2. And value of M is minus 2. So what does minus sign indicate? I want to know. And what does this 2 indicate? Any student can explain.
The negative sign indicates that the image formed is real.
No, negative sign does not indicate that. Negative sign indicates, okay, maybe you can say that, but actually it tells that object is above the principal axis, then image is below the principal axis. Minus. It's the object and image are opposite in direction. If the object is down, you can make object inverted also. Image will be up. Remember that. If the object is up, then the image will be down. Minus sign shows that. And what does 2 shows? 2 means if the size of object is, let's say, 10 centimeter. How much will be the image? This is h. How much will be image? Double. It will be 20 centimeter. Obviously, minus is also there, minus 20 centimeter. Are you clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Now m is given, you see, m is also equal to h dash by h. So I can say h dash is equal to m into h. That is, m is minus 2 into what is h? H is 7. So it is equal to minus 14 centimeter. M, H. That's what I told. If it was 10 centimeter, image would be minus 20. Here it is 7. So this distance is minus 14 centimeter. Students, you'll really enjoy much if you draw this to scale, and if you actually take this at 7 mm, 7 centimeter, this will exactly come as 14 mm, right? So this numerical is complete? No. But one thing is there. At what distance the mirror should be placed so that sharp focused image can be obtained? Any student can answer? So where should I place the mirror, screen? Or you can say that screen on which the image is formed. Where should I place? So you don't know. Students, this is the screen. This is the screen. I'll tell you. Just see. This is the screen. The shape of screen is like this. This is the screen. Now this screen, students, suppose I place here, but the image is here, so you won't get a good picture of image. If you place it beyond how much? 54 centimeter. If you place it less than 54 centimeter here, if you place the image here, then also image will not be correct. The image is actually getting formed on this point. Try to understand. At a distance of 54 centimeter from the mirror or 54 centimeter from P. So exactly, in order to get a clear image, you should put the screen. Tell me, students.
At 54 centimeter.
Yeah, exactly, at 54 centimeter. And then students, if you want to learn more about reflection, and all things regarding optics till 10th level, do visit our channel, YouTube channel, Learn CBSE, and we would humbly request to share with your friends, and if you anything you don't understand, write in the comments. Thank you.